Make a volcano, not so. Okay, let me spell this. Not so graphic. Graphic.
Yep, it's close. National Geographic. That's close enough. Okay. So what do you think we're going to need today?
I don't know.
You don't know what's on your table?
I know what this is on the table.
Okay. Tell me what's on the table.
That's yellow everywhere.
But it's actually plaster.
Pasta, instructions, 2 rubber bands, sticks that we can stir, rubber molds, cardboard, paper towels, containers, water.
Are you ready to make the volcano?
Yeah.
All right.